pada hari ini saya sendiri dapat melawat gerai-gerai. Di situ kita melihat achievement syarikat-syarikat tertentu dalam bidang dan kepakaran masing-masing.
For Info guys, this is not just a summit. This is the expo to the world, to the nation, showing that we are the leader for the future.
So I'm basically here to see what's happening in Southeast Asia, looking at business opportunities, any new innovation. There's lots of exciting things happening in Southeast Asia and Malaysia being the center of it.
The ways that Selangor can actually bring in more investors is to have more support for startups like us who are building in Malaysia, and from there we can bloom the whole AI industry in Malaysia.
It's a good platform for us, especially for SME company like us. We want to sustain our availability in the market.
Banyak memberi manfaat kepada usahawan dalam mempromosikan produk-produk mereka kepada pembeli-pembeli dalam dan luar negara.
CARE empowers women to participate fully in the workforce, support families, and creates quality jobs across sectors.
We are proud that Selangor has been recognized by UN Women as a caring state.